wanted to see how many MacBooks could fit into a cube that is 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot. I took 12 divided by 11.97 by 12 divided by 8.36 by 12 divided by 0.58. I got 1 by 1.4 by 20.6 foot. When I round it, it would be 1 by 1 by 20, which would then equal 20 MacBooks. I also wanted to see how much a cube containing 1 million MacBooks would be. So I took 11.97 times 1 million, 8.36 times 1 million, and 0.58 times 1 million. I then got the dimensions of 11,970,000 inches by 8,360,000 by 580,000 inches. I then divided that by 12 and got 997,000 by 696,666 by 48,333 feet. 1 million laptops would weigh 3,020 pounds. An object that would weigh just as much would be a man-made rock, a man-made stone, which is 3.3 million pounds. To see how high 1 million MacBooks stacked would be. The height of one MacBook is 0.58 inches, so I took 0.58 times 1 million, which equals 580,000 inches, which converts into 480,333 feet. What else is about that high would be an airplane which could go 50,000 feet in the air, so just a little bit more. I wanted to see how many acres would the MacBooks cover if they were laid out flat, 1,000 inches wide and 1,000 inches long. One MacBook is 8.3 inches wide, and the length of one MacBook is 11.97 inches long. I times both of those by 1,000 and got 100,069,200 inches, which is about 15 acres, which would be close to the area of 16 football fields. The bus is 9 feet by 11 feet by 41 feet. I wanted to see how many school buses could be filled with 1 million MacBook. So I took the width of one MacBook, which is 8.36 inches. I took 132 divided by 8.36, which equals 15 MacBooks. Took the length of one MacBook, which is 11.97 inches, and I divided 492 inches divided by 11.97 and got 41 MacBooks. I took the height of one MacBook, which is 0.58, and divided 108 inches divided by 0.58 inches and got 186 MacBooks. It would be 114,390 MacBooks per bus. I took 1 million divided by 114,390 and got about 8.7 buses. G was, if I stacked 1 billion MacBooks to completely cover a football field, how tall would it be? I took 1 million, divided it by 82,440 and got 12,130. I took 12,130 divided by 0.58 and got 7,035 inches tall. I wanted to see if we put the MacBooks into one tall stack, how tall would 1 billion MacBooks be relative to the Earth, Moon, and the Sun in the solar system. Found out that it would be 580 million inches tall, 115% of the diameter of the Earth, 3% of the way to the Moon, and 6.9% around the Sun.